Everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to apply ribbon eyelashes. What's great about these sorts of eyelashes is that they are fantastic for every single eye shape, whether you have monolids, if you've got hooded eyes, whether you have straight eyelashes, or if you've got very naturally curly lashes, you can find a set of these that will work for you. They also come in a super lightweight, fluffy finish. They come in almost like individual lashes. They also come in Russians, spiky, texture, and then they also come in different lengths. And like anything, they also come at different price points. Now the ones I'm using today are by Lash base. They are my favourite, and the fact that they are affordable is even better. I've tried nearly every single brand out there that offer ribbon lashes, and for me these are the most comfortable. The band itself is one of the thinnest that I've ever tried. The wonderful thing about ribbon lashes is that you can cut them at any point you want. I still like to work in small individual sections, but you can make these slightly larger. Today I'm using the Pro FX Plus in the textured finish. I really love these ones, but again they do slightly shorter ones in a very light finish, so if you are slightly more mature, Lash base have got you covered. For the purpose of the tutorial, because I'm not going to be keeping these lashes on for more than today, I'm using the Falscara Bond, but if you want weekend lashes or for them to last up to 7 days, you can use the Lash Bond by Lash base. So I have nothing on my lashes to begin with, and as you can see the bond almost goes on like a mascara, and then when you apply a individual section you'll see it adheres to your natural lashes and it almost catches on, so it makes it easy for you to apply them. You want to apply them at the root of your natural lashes underneath, not touching the skin, because that can often result in you being able to feel them. So you just want to attach them to the root of your natural lashes as close to the skin as possible, but without touching, and that just takes a little bit of practice. A tip is to tilt your head backwards and look down into a mirror when you apply it. Keep your eyes nice and wide, and then you can see how close to the root you're placing these individual sections. I am applying a mix of medium and large, so I have a medium on the very outer edge, and then I'm applying 3 large sections to follow, and then I'll go in with a medium section towards the inner corner. And I don't take these all the way to the very inner corner. You can, it's completely up to you. They do extra small as well. Lash base go from, I think it's extra small to extra large, and again they are the lightest, fluffiest lashes I've ever tried. They are so soft, they are like actual real eyelashes. Lash base also do longer length tweezers where you can pinch the false lash with your natural lash. I like to blink onto the tip of my tweezers just to kind of press the base against my natural lash. Then a little tip to make them look a little bit darker at the root is to go along and use some long wear gel eyeliner. The one I'm using is by Bobbi Brown in a brown, but you can also use black. And I've used a waterproofing mix in medium so that it doesn't print down on my lower lash line. And then this just kind of takes away the pinky tone when you're looking straight ahead, so it makes the root of your lash look fuller. This is why ribbon lashes are fantastic for people with hooded eyes, because you're not closing the actual lid space any further. I'd recommend getting more wispy ones that you can kind of see through, because that way you're not closing too much of that lid space and overwhelming it with a false lash. I'll put my discount code in the description bar for both US and UK, and I'll also recommend the best ones for the hooded eyes. Now obviously we are using a bond glue which can be a little bit tacky, so the Falscara one comes with a sealant, and I find that kind of removes the tack, so that's really good if you are finding that you've still got a bit of a tacky feel to your lashes. So apply this at the base. I tend to sort of work it up the length of my lashes because the bond does go that high. I find it also gives a bit of a clear mascara vibe. It makes them look a bit wet, which I really like the look of. Obviously that's preference. However, whenever I've used the Lash base bond, I don't find that I have that tacky residue because that is more of a long wear bond. I have shown you these eyelashes in various tutorials before, but I've not done a dedicated video, and a lot of people are searching the term ribbon lashes, and having seen them, I know some of you are a little bit confused on how to use them. As you can see, once they're on, they really are in place. You can give them a little tug and they're not coming off. So they are great for everyday and special occasions. I hope you guys found that useful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget I will list and link all the products used in the description bar, and I will see you next week. Bye guys!